Welcome to Moonstone Offices here in Technopark, Stellenbosch. Today we are showcasing how solar energy has transformed this business, providing a reliable, sustainable power to support their operations. Solar energy is not just a cost-saving measure, it is an investment in the future, offering energy independence and a cleaner environment for the generations to come. In partnership with industry leaders, we provide end-to-end solar solutions that deliver both immediate and long-term benefits.
So Moonstone contacted e-Lek Energy about 2 years ago. With the amount of load shedding they were experiencing, their monthly electricity supply costs were shooting out of the roof. They've got an on-site generator, so the generator was running quite a lot. With the tax incentive that was in place, or currently still in place as well, they asked us to look into the feasibility of a solar and battery solution because they have quite a challenging roof with regards to solar PV installation as well. So e-Lek Energy engineering team sat together, did a design, did an analysis for what will be the optimal system. The scope of the installed system is we've got about, I think it's 88 kilowatts of peak of solar panels on the roof. We've got 2 SMA Core 1 inverters, so 100 kilowatts of SMA inverter power. We've got 9 10 kVA Victron Quattro inverters, and then we've got 12 14.3 SolarMD lithium-ion battery capacity. The whole system is incorporated with the on-site generator as well, so during the winter, if the batteries reach a certain set point, the generator will kick in, take over and recharge the batteries at the same time as well. What makes this installation unique is it's not just the solar that's contributing to their savings every month. We are actually utilizing our inverter and battery system to manage their demand charge each month, and because of their tariff structure as well, during peak times we discharge the batteries and during the off-peak times we recharge the batteries, so that just gives them a massive saving on the electricity bill. So I think currently a lot of businesses, farms, the agricultural market, commercial buildings, they still need to consider solar solutions. It's not just purely the savings out of the solar system that's being generated. There are alternative means. The price of equipment has come down drastically with a forecasted increase in tariffs. There are other methods of getting massive savings out of your electricity bill by utilizing tariff arbitrage. Yes, it's quite an interesting time in the market, and there's a lot of different ways to utilizing these type of solutions to get the most out of it, and actually there's a financial feasibility behind it as well.
At IBC Solar, we are more than just a distributor. We are your partner in your solar journey. From the first consultation to the final installation, our team ensures that each project is carefully designed to suit the specific needs of your business or farm. But it doesn't stop there. We offer ongoing support, monitoring and maintenance to guarantee that your system continues to perform at its best year after year. With our deep understanding of solar technology and the commitment to customer satisfaction, we're helping to make solar energy accessible and reliable for businesses across South Africa.
Victron Energy is a family-owned company of engineers. This year we are 49 years old. Next year we turn 50. As a product manufacturer, that speaks volumes in our modern industry. So where does the Victron Energy inverter charger fit into the market? Well, firstly, we've got a track record of over 20 years where the product's been used in various applications, so off-grid, on-grid. In the last 10 or 12 years, the on-grid market has really grown, where people need reliable power while connected to the grid. So when the grid fails, the inverter takes over the power for a smooth and efficient power supply. Your appliances don't break. The pure sine wave output, backed up by the transformer technology, has really proven to give a rugged and reliable product to the market. As you can see in the background here, all the blue boxes, we're busy redesigning a lot of new products, bringing out new commercially biased products, high voltage products. But a lot of our existing products are also perfect for these new markets. So as the industry is changing and Eskom has had more reliable power supply this year, everybody's looking at commercial market, and there we're looking at more of a finance solution, and Victron Energy's got a very unique value proposition